welcome to another Did You Know Thursday with me, Debbie from Stebbington Ltd. Today, I'm going to show you a really neat way to use conditional formatting in a Google Sheet. If you use your task list on Google Sheets, I'm going to show you something that might be just for you. Let's go.
So you may have your list of tasks on a Google Sheet. So for instance, you'd have on the left here the tasks you have to do to get that work done, and then a little tick box to say when you've done it. Now what you might want to do also is tick the box and strike through the text to say, yep, it's done. But this is how you automate that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use conditional formatting, which is one of my favourite things of all time. So this one is we're going to tick the box, it's going to automatically strike through. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to select the cells that we want the conditional formatting in. So we want it in this column. We're going to go Format, Conditional Formatting, and as you can see, Google can see that you have highlighted the cells that you want it to be in. So that's good. And next we want to enter a little formula in. Now the formula sounds complicated, it's not. Equals, because every good formula starts with an equals. We're going to say, what are we looking for? So we're looking for a tick in this box. So B2. So when B2 equals again, so when it is, and we're going to tick the box. So in Excel language, if a box is ticked, it says it's called true. When it's not, it's false. So when it is true, so when that box is ticked, and then we're going to pop what we want it to do. So we're going to put strike through, we're going to change the cell color, we're going to click done. And now we're going to tick the box, ta-da! And it's all been done. And we can tick the others and you'll be able to see when they're done. Simple.
And that is it from me this week. It's a nice and quick one. I love conditional formatting. You can conditionally format whatever you like. If you'd like to know more, then contact us at admin@stebbington.com and we will see you next week.